How much should you actually spend on car wax? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Fauneral Microfiber Pads. We've got the Fauneral Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads. At just $6.99, these caught my eye because they come in a 6-pack, which is a great value for anyone looking to keep their cars shiny. If you want a reliable way to apply wax without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These pods are made from a premium microfiber blend combined with a sponge, giving you the perfect balance of absorbability and elasticity. This means when you're applying wax, it glides smoothly and evenly, ensuring you don't miss a spot. Plus, they're reusable and machine washable, which makes them eco-friendly and cost-effective. With over 10,000 units sold this past month, people clearly trust them for their car care routine. Now, some people complained about them being a bit too soft for heavy-duty applications. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing routine waxing and light polishing, they work perfectly fine. But if you're dealing with heavy scratches or tough stains, you might want something more substantial. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to apply wax. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty. Honestly, for the price, they offer great value. Product number 2, Carfidant Scratch Repair Kit. We have the Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover, priced at $21.97. This one grabbed my attention because it promises to not just hide scratches, but actually restore your car's paint. If you want to erase years of wear and tear, this is definitely worth a closer look. This kit comes with a specially formulated compound that is designed to remove light scratches and swirls, while also restoring the gloss of your paint. The included buffer pad makes it easy to use, even for beginners. What's amazing is that it's safe for all paint types, so you don't have to worry about damaging your vehicle. The reviews are starting to roll in, and people are excited about how effective it is. But I'll be real with you. Some users found that it takes a bit of elbow grease to see results. Here's the deal though. If you put in the work, the results can be pretty impressive. Just know that if you're looking for a quick fix, it might not be the easiest route. This is perfect for you if your car has minor scratches that need a little TLC. Skip this if you're dealing with deep, heavy scratches that need professional help. For under $22, it's a solid investment for maintaining your car's appearance.
Product number 3, Griot's Garage 3-in-1 Wax. Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. While the price isn't listed, it's a popular choice among car enthusiasts for a reason. What stood out for me was its SiO2 infused formula that claims to offer a high gloss finish and long-lasting protection. If you want something that works quickly and efficiently, this is worth your time. This product forms a protective shield that helps to defend against oxidation and dirt. The hydrophobic properties mean water beads up and rolls off, which keeps your car cleaner for longer. Plus, it's safe for multiple surfaces, including paint, plastic, and chrome, making it a versatile addition to your car care routine. With over 8,000 units flying off the shelves in the past month, people are clearly loving it. However, some users mention that the spray application can sometimes lead to streaks if not buffed properly. Here's the thing, take your time and make sure you wipe it down well, and you'll be golden. But if you're in a rush, that could be a hassle. This is perfect for you if you want quick and effective protection for your car. Skip this if you're looking for a traditional wax application experience. Considering its ease of use, it's a great investment for busy car owners. Product number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. Let's talk about the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, priced at $17.99. This one promises durable paint protection and extreme water beading. If you need something that can withstand the elements, you might want to pay attention. This ceramic spray creates a protective layer on your paint that's tough against UV rays and dirt. The extreme water repellency means that rain just beads right off, reducing drying time and preventing spots. Plus, it's easy to apply. Just spray and buff. It's safe for glass, trim, and wheels, making it a true multi-surface solution. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clearly finding its fans. That said, some users mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to remove if it dries too fast. Here's my take. If you work in sections and don't let it sit too long, you should be fine. But if you're not careful, it could become a bit of a chore. This is perfect for you if you want a highly protective wax that's easy to apply. Skip this if you're not willing to put in a little effort during application. Given the results, it's definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Shine Armor Quick Coat. We have Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat, which retails for $22.99.
This caught my eye because it's a 3-in-1 solution that claims to wash, seal, and shine in one step. If you're looking for simplicity, this might be your go-to. The quick bonding formula chemically adheres to your paint, creating a hydrophobic barrier that repels water and dirt. It cures in just 15 minutes, so you can get back on the road faster. With over 83,000 verified reviews, it seems to have struck a chord with users. The fact that it works on various surfaces is a huge plus. However, a few reviews mention that it may not provide as deep a shine as traditional waxes. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience, this trade-off might be worth it. But if you're a detailing enthusiast who loves that deep shine, you might find it lacking. This is perfect for you if you want a fast and easy solution for maintaining your vehicle's finish. Skip this if you're after that ultra deep shine that only traditional wax can provide. For the value it offers, it's worth considering.
We've covered 5 great car wax options, each with its unique benefits. If you want affordable applicators, go for Finarl. For scratch repair, Carfident is your best bet. Griot's Garage offers quick protection, while Turtle Wax is great for durability. And Shine Armor is perfect if you want simplicity. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.